Are you ready to meet the most advanced humanoid robot ever created? What if I told you that this robot could change the way we work and live? In the last 6 months, there have been some amazing new developments in AI robotics. We're seeing robots that are more like humans, having brains and muscles like ours. And there have been updates to famous robots like Amika and Figure 2. Plus, there are even robots that have parts inspired by nature. Today, I'll talk about how fast AI and robotics are changing. It's all happening very quickly, especially in China. There, they've made a robot that is really different from any other. This robot doesn't just have computer parts for a brain. Instead, it has a brain made from real living cells. Yes, you heard that right, a robot with a part human brain. This is a big step that changes what we thought was possible with robots. Before you start imagining something out of a science fiction movie, let me explain what they're calling this new development. A brain on a chip. Yes, it sounds like something from the future, and in a way, it is. Instead of using the usual computer parts, scientists have grown very small brain cells in a lab and placed them on a microchip very carefully. They've basically put parts of what makes humans think into a robot, starting a new phase of smart machines. Now, here's the really wild part. Our brains are made up of a bunch of neurons that link together. These smart scientists have managed to recreate this network on a small chip. Let's go back and see how they did this. It all begins with stem cells, which are really versatile cells in our bodies that can turn into any other type of cell, like magic. The scientists took these stem cells and basically told them, "You're going to turn into brain cells today." And it worked. They guided these cells to grow into brain cells just like those in a human brain. Then, in a move that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi book, they attached this network of brain cells onto a special microchip, creating a robot brain. You might be wondering, this is interesting, but why should it matter to me? Well, this breakthrough is a real game changer. Most of the AI we see today is based on computer programs. It's all written and follows specific rules. But this new development, it's totally different. This robot can learn and change like a living thing. It's not just doing what it's told. It's experiencing things and learning from them, much like our brains do. I can almost hear some of you worrying. Skynet, right? Are we close to a robot rebellion? Don't worry, we're not there yet. This is just the beginning, and there's still a lot to figure out before this technology becomes common. But it does mean we need to start serious discussions about what this technology could mean for the future. This isn't just about making smarter machines. We're really starting to mix artificial and biological intelligence. Imagine a future where it's hard to tell where technology ends and biology starts. It's both thrilling and a bit scary, and it's definitely going to change how we see the world. But with great potential comes great responsibility. Worried I might turn into a villain? Don't be. We're not just talking about creating advanced technology here. We're discussing what it means to truly be alive and conscious. These are big, deep topics that we need to think about as a society. Progress has a way of pushing us out of our comfort zones and making us face new ideas. It's intimidating, but also incredibly exciting. Take Jeff Bezos and SoftBank, for example. They've put a huge $300 million into a company called Skilled AI. But they're not trying to make a robot with a brain made from human cells. They're working on building a completely artificial brain from scratch. Their goal is to create what they're calling a robot brain, a general-purpose AI brain that can go into any robot. This would let robots do complex tasks in tough environments or handle precise jobs in homes and factories, without needing specific programming for each task. The team at Skilled AI, which includes some smart folks from Carnegie Mellon, is aiming to develop robots that can think and act like humans. They're on the edge of creating something called Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, which could give robots human-like smarts. Now, let's talk about another big breakthrough in robotics. It might not be as wild as robots with human brains, but it's still pretty groundbreaking. An Indian company called Zen Technologies, together with their partner AI Turing Technologies, has entered the robotics scene with a bang. They've developed a four-legged robot named Prahasa, named after a legendary warrior from Hindu mythology, and it's quite the machine. Imagine a robot dog equipped not for fetching slippers, but for carrying an assault rifle. Meet Prahasa, a defense robot that goes beyond Boston Dynamics creations. Featuring cutting-edge LiDAR technology for scanning environments and AI for terrain navigation and mission planning. A recently released video showcases Prahasa's capabilities. It climbs stairs with a gun, leaps over obstacles like a mechanical gazelle, and can lift and carry an adult weighing 180 pounds. Potentials that could revolutionize rescue and combat scenarios. Prahasa isn't easily defeated. Its auto-resurrection feature allows it to autonomously recover from falls, adding to its robustness. Moreover, Zen Technologies has unveiled the barbaric UR-CWS, the world's lightest remote-controlled weapon station, adaptable for land and sea use. Zen's CEO, Ashok Luri, is optimistic about the impact of these robots on defense operations, believing they could significantly change the military landscape. Zen is well-versed in defense technology, with a history of developing anti-drone systems and combat simulators, and distributing over 1,000 simulators worldwide. This background supports their vision of integrating advanced robotics directly onto the battlefield, illustrating a future where robots serve active roles in both industrial and combat settings. Switching gears, let's talk about another robotic innovation capturing the public's attention: the Figure 02 humanoid robot. Supported by heavyweights like OpenAI, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and investments from Jeff Bezos's private fund, the buzz around this robot is substantial. Figure, the company behind this humanoid, recently released a teaser showcasing the robot. Although the video is quite brief, it packs a lot of intriguing details into its short runtime. In a recent teaser, we caught a sneak peek of the robot Figure 02, showing off its joints, limbs, and flexible parts, suggesting a sophisticated design. It highlighted impressive specs like a torque of 150 Newton meters, showcasing its strength, and a movement range of 195 degrees, demonstrating remarkable flexibility. Brett Adcock, founder of Figure, boasted on Twitter that this robot is the most advanced humanoid on Earth, a claim supported by its innovative features. Founded in 2022, Figure is a newcomer making big waves in the tech world. Their first robot, launched in March 2023, was designed to take on risky or dull jobs in sectors like warehousing and retail, built impressively in just 6 months. Their team includes 40 specialists like CTO Dr. Jerry Pratt, focusing on boosting workplace productivity and safety without weaponizing their tech. Figure has already teamed up with BMW Manufacturing, suggesting we'll soon see their robots in action. Their earlier model used advanced AI from OpenAI's GPT-4, indicating that Figure 02, set for release in August 2024, will feature even more sophisticated AI technologies. The competition in the field of AI-powered humanoid robots is intense. Elon Musk has predicted a massive market potential, suggesting that over 10 billion humanoid robots could be in demand. His company is developing the Tesla Optimus, poised as a direct competitor to Figure. Meanwhile, NVIDIA is experimenting with innovative training methods for AI robots using Apple Vision Pro headsets in Project GR-00T. Boston Dynamics is also a significant player, known for their advancements in robotics. They are enhancing their Atlas robot model with electric motors to improve affordability and reliability. Oxford Dynamics in Harwell, Oxfordshire, is advancing AI robotics with their Strider robot, designed for high-risk environments like those with chemical, biological, or nuclear threats. The company secured a £1 million contract from the UK Ministry of Defence, underscoring their capability and the government's confidence in their technology. Strider, equipped with a sophisticated multi-jointed arm, performs tasks such as sampling and retrieving contaminated materials on tank-like treads, ideal for navigating challenging terrains. This technology proved invaluable during situations like the 2018 Novichok attack in Salisbury, handling hazardous materials safely. Strider is further enhanced with an AI system named AVIS, a very intelligent system reminiscent of Jarvis from Iron Man, suggesting potential future uses in submarines or fighter jets. Chef Sharma, a founder, envisions this technology aiding those in dire situations, marking a significant step in safety protocols for high-risk operations. The UK Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs, DFRA, has praised the robot's rapid development and versatility. As the field of robotics evolves, showcased by the 2024 World Robot Conference in Beijing, companies like Oxford Dynamics are at the forefront, pushing robots beyond traditional roles, promising profound impacts on industry, defense, and environmental safety through continued AI and robotics innovations. Humanoid robots, such as the Unitary G1, exemplify the strides being made in AI and robotics. The Unitary G1 stands out with its height of 1.3 meters and a weight of 35 kilograms, designed to interact in human environments. It can move swiftly at a speed of 2 meters per second and is equipped with 3-finger force control hands, allowing for delicate and precise handling of objects. This capability is supported by its impressive knee joint torque of 120 Newton meters, providing strength in a compact frame. That's it for the 2024 World Robot Conference. We've seen amazing robots that move and look like us, plus AI that gets our feelings. The future is exciting, and soon, robots will be more like our partners. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more tech and robot news. See you in the next video.